Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about the relative clause where. When I first learned this grammar structure, I was taught where in relative clauses was used when we talked about physical places such as house, library, and room. But I found that we can use this when we talk about non-physical places like dreams. One of my students told me it was very confusing when she saw where used for non-physical ones. I think you're also confused like her. So I'm going to be giving you some examples of them here today. Okay, let's check some examples together. Number one, I reached a point in my life where I needed a change. Here, a point in my life is a non-physical place representing a specific time or phase in one's life. Number two, she found herself in a situation where she had to make a difficult choice. A situation is a non-physical place referring to a specific circumstance or context. Number three, the company has entered a phase where cost-cutting measures are necessary. A phase is a non-physical place describing a specific period or stage in the company's operations. Okay, let's continue. Number four, we are in a market where competition is fierce and we need to stand out. A market is a non-physical place representing the competitive business environment in which the company operates. The last one, number five, we are exploring new opportunities in an industry where innovation is key. An industry is a non-physical place signifying the broader context of the business world where innovation plays a crucial role. Like the examples I've mentioned, where can be used to describe various non-physical places, including emotional states, situations, circumstances, imaginary worlds, and stages, and so on. I hope this will help you in your English journey. Thank you for tuning in today. If you like it, like the video and comment below. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.